snorkeling.
Pretty much just got off the plane, so I am starving. It's Alex. Back. We got a special plate with plantains and also additional fries on the side with quail eggs and sausage, and then also a tamarind drink. Let's dig in. It has to be healthy. There's a lot of salad, right? There's guacamole down here. Kind of see it. It's on top of a plantain. So far, so good. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna dig in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bella.
Hello.
Desperately need a coffee.
Morning. Got my much needed coffee. It's about 6 a.m. We're gonna drive to La Fortuna soon, where the volcano Arenal is, and then we're gonna have an exciting coffee roasting experience later. We're in the courtyard of our hotel right now. It's super cute. Just gonna finish some coffee before we head out. We got to an ant-themed cafe. You think we're gonna eat ants?
I thought we were gonna eat ants. I don't know. Maybe it's a local delicacy.
Probably gonna be regular food, and I'm excited. Let's go in and see why it's ant-themed. It's very good. This is our breakfast. Oh, my favorite. Nothing crazy, but hits the spot. It's great. We're in La Fortuna at our tiny house, and it's an A-frame. It's pretty sick. Kind of looks like it's in the jungle. Let me show you around. When you walk in, there's the mini kitchen, and then the mini table, the mini seating area. This is a outdoor shower, and also, I suppose, an outdoor toilet as well. That's me. Hello. Also, they gave us 6 eggs. Or 5 eggs. And then here are the stairs. Not too jank, which is nice. Feeling slightly shaky. This is it. Hello.
Hello. I've come to join you.
There's a door on the second floor you can open. Oh my god. It's pouring outside right now. We're trying to go to a waterfall later, but maybe we'll wait an hour or two. We're here for 7 days, and then after that we're gonna fly back to Canada. Hopefully I can bring you around, and let's eat some good food. We took an afternoon rest after eating a lot of beans and rice. We're heading to a coffee roasting tour. Kind of curious what it's gonna be like.
Fun fact, Costa Rica is one of the countries that brews Starbucks coffee beans.
Yeah, we passed by earlier. I didn't get a shot of it, but very cool.
Vamos.
You can talk to the roosters.
What about you guys? It's your first time doing a chocolate tour? Because they are G and O. Adding here. And we should over it with the beans with the absorbed sugar, the liquid. We go this out, right?
Mixing it. Cinnamon chocolate. It is like horchata without the milk. It's breakfast time and we're at Soda Turnito. So I started off with the gallo pinto. It's basically eggs, plantains, rice, and tofu. And then we also got a really hearty soup called pollo de carne. It's basically a meat soup, and I really wanted to try this past few days, especially because it's kind of cold and wet and I kind of want something soupy. Let's dig in. Solid, just what I expected for eggs. I'm excited for this. Ready for this soup. It's very heavy in carrot and corn. It's very tender meat. I really like this. It's very hearty. It's honestly perfect for a really rainy morning. We're gonna finish this and then probably head to a hike later.
We're at the Baldi Hot Springs. Can you please move out of our casa?
Our villa and hotel are somewhere there. It's breakfast time, and these pancakes and sausage smells really good. And we also got some fruits, but I already ate most of it, so.
It's so nice.
We saw monkeys there yesterday, and we were just chilling in the pool. We're about to order, but oh my god, I'm very excited for the fried fish. I've been waiting for this. We're in Quepos right now, which is near the sea, so that's probably why there's more seafood, and so we're gonna take advantage of that. Got some jumbo shrimp instead. They didn't have any fried fish anymore. We also have a plate of seafood and plantains. We finally have red snapper. Yesterday for dinner they ran out of red snapper, but today we're at lunchtime near our hotel Bongo, and my god, it's so tasty. It's doused in butter and garlic, so can't go wrong there. The ceviche here is a lot better than the one we had in La Fortuna, probably because we're actually near the coast and there's actually seafood around. I think this place is maybe one of my favorites with the red snapper. I'm gonna dig in and then head over to the cruise.
Going snorkeling.